So this indicator tells you the exact moment you should be looking to buy or sell when trading the forex market. Hello traders, welcome back to GolgiFx, and this is your boy Golgi. So in this video, we'll be looking at the CCI indicator, which helps traders to identify key areas when trading the financial market. At the end of this video, I'll show you how I use this indicator as a confluence to pass all my forex fund challenge that I trade. So watch this video to the end to fully understand how I use this indicator. So if you are new to my channel, please like this video and subscribe to my channel to be notified on the coming videos. Traders, let's get into the video. So the CCI indicator is a momentum indicator which helps traders to identify overbought and oversold condition in the market. So if you look at this indicator, it has a default length of 20 and also it has an overbought level of 100 and oversold level of -100. So for a trader to use this indicator correctly, the first thing the trader needs to know is to be able to identify the overall direction of the market, and you can simply do that by looking at the high time frame direction of the market. So currently, if you look at my chart, I'm using JPUSD for this example, and I'm on the 4-hour time frame. So if you look at the 4-hour time frame, you can see that the overall trend of this market is pushing to the upside. So we can see that currently the overall direction of JPUSD is pushing to the upside. So now that you know the overall direction of the market, let's go into the indicator and break how you can use this indicator to profit from the market. So if you look at this indicator, anytime you see the line above the 100 level, meaning the market is overbought, and anytime you see the indicator below the 100 level, this means that the market is oversold. So we have two things that we see in this indicator: overbought and oversold. But if you only look at this overbought and oversold conditions and you trade with it, you are not going to profit with this indicator for long term. So let me show you how I use this indicator to profit from the market. So the first thing I do is I first try to understand the overall direction of the market, like I said in the beginning, whereby you can see currently the market is pushing to the upside. So the next thing I do is I go to settings and I change this indicator from default 20 to 84. So if you want to use my trading strategy, you can also change your own from 20 to 84. So like I said, after trying to understand the overall direction of the market, what you try to do is anytime you see an impulse move, like from here you saw there was a break of structure here, retest, and what you do is you come and wait patiently to see overbought condition here. You can see that as the market is coming down, the momentum of this market is also dropping, and as it got to this level, it tends to consolidate around the -100. This shows that at this level the market is overbought, so you can be looking for buying opportunities here. You can see that as the market tends to push up, there is more momentum to the upside. When the market tends to drop to retest previous level, you see that the momentum is pushing to the downside. And when market is able to push around that level, you could see that this market has been overbought. When we are in the buying market, what we are looking at is oversold condition here, then we buy more. So with this, the most important thing that we are looking at this with this indicator is oversold condition. So you could see here, as the market pushed to the upside and it trades to the downside, the trader will be asking, where should I be taking my trades? We can use this indicator, which will show you that around this level, the market is oversold. And when it breaks to the downside, then it's a high probability of us taking a buy position. And the reason why we are doing this is because we know that the overall direction is to the upside. You could see around this level to the same, the trader could have taken a trade here when the market is going to oversold condition. Around this level, oversold condition, the same here, oversold condition, oversold, and we can see that anytime that happens, the market tends to push the upside. So this is one way that you can use momentum as you trade. You can wait for momentum to decrease, and with the -100 level, it helps you, then you take a position. The same way in a downtrend too, you can use the same idea when trading or when taking short position. You can see that around this level, the market was selling to the downside. We saw an impulse move and the market was overbought here. The reason being is we are looking for a retracement, but we don't know where the market will end. But with this momentum, you see that as it comes here and it tends to consolidate here, we have more confirmation that the market is going to push it outside. Around this level, we saw that the market pushed it outside, we traced back, and even here it gave us a sign of divergence here. So there are a lot of things that you can use the CCI indicator to do. You can tend to use for your divergence trading, you can tend to use for overbought and oversold, and you can also tend to use for the trend on the higher time frame. So traders, this is how I use this CCI indicator to trade. This is a simple momentum indicator, so this is how you can use it to profit from this market. But one thing that you should take note is that you shouldn't focus on this indicator only. You should tend to understand market structure. As the market pushes the upside and tend to correct himself, that's when I use the idea of CCI to help me look at levels whereby I could be taking my trade. I can also use the idea of support and resistance around key levels to also trade. But this indicator is a very powerful one if you tend to use this for exhaustion of price movements. So 1 trade here, 2 trades here, 3 trades here, 4 trades here, 5 trades here, and 6 trades here. And also sometimes it's not all the time that the indicator will get to the negative 100 or goes to the downside. Sometimes it will test the negative one and continue to the upside when it's a short-term retracement. So all these things that we should know about this indicator. So traders, this is a trading strategy that I want to share with you, which you can use to profit from the market. So traders, that's all for this video. I hope you like it. Please like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video.